Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I'd probably get asked about my ladder. How can that ladder lean against that pole? Well, it's not. It's a modified ladder. There's actually a support that goes through it. If you look at it, it does not touch the pole. This is all custom built. This is a painter's pole, like I said before. I pull the pin out right there, that slides down. Then I can pull another pin out there, and that slides down further, and then I can easily get to the antenna to switch them out or do whatever I got to do. And then I just reverse the process and then get it back up there. I have the GMRS antenna on there now, but when I do other antenna builds, this way will make it easier to switch antennas. But that's what that is. It's a custom built ladder holder, I guess, if you want to call it that. The ladder's up against there, so I can't move. These boards here are also mounted, and that's pinned, as you can see there, so that don't move. Yeah, so and I can adjust the ladder height. I could, extend it. There's the locking runs there. I can adjust this ladder very easily, but I found it just best to lower the antenna to go ahead and do what you got to do. So that's how that is, if you're wondering. Of course, if hopefully soon I will be doing the bluff video, I won't have all this on there. That's what this trailer is was built to begin with, was for the bluff video, which I'm planning on still doing. It's just summertime gets kind of crazy around here, so hopefully soon or in the fall, I'm hoping. But at least the trailer is done and ready to go. All this will come off, like I said, and then I'll just use a temporary step ladder in there, one of the taller ones when I set up on a bluff. But anyhow, that's what this ladder configuration contraption thing is, if you was wondering. And also too, I do have it, I got collars on there so the ladder can't slide this way, so that's also pinned. And then of course the steel pipe is also pinned. The bracket here is welded. I can easily just pull the bolts off and I can slide the pipe out to have my ladder be back to normal. So anyway, thought I'd just do a quick video on that to kind of explain that. Any questions or comments, post them down below, and please subscribe. Thank you.